businesses struggle to save money during app maintenance? That's right, a lot of entrepreneurs while planning focus solely on app development and its cost. But often, they forget that a major chunk of their investment also goes into maintaining it. And because of that, they end up losing money instead of maximizing their investment. But today we are here to change that narrative. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for app developers and business owners alike. How much does app maintenance cost and how can you save big? So let's get started. First, let's break down the average costs. On average, app maintenance can range from 15 to 20% of your initial development cost annually. The success of your app lies not only in how they are developed, but also in how they are maintained. To ensure the ongoing success of your application, you should continue to improve and scale your app. So when you estimate the development cost of your app, don't forget to include the maintenance cost as well. If your app costs $50,000 to develop, you could be looking at $7,500 to $10,000 a year just for maintenance. But don't you worry, we have got 5 hacks that can help you save up to $1,000 per month on these costs. Hack number 1. Automate your testing processes. Manual testing can be incredibly time-consuming and costly, which often leads to delays and increased expenses. But by utilizing automated testing tools, you can catch errors early and easily in the development process. This not only saves time but also reduces the likelihood of costly bugs reaching to production. Imagine deploying your app with confidence, knowing that thorough automated tests have checked for issues. By implementing this hack, you could easily save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars each month in development costs and debugging efforts. Hack number 2. Leverage open source libraries. There's a wealth of open source libraries available that can help you handle common app functionalities without breaking the bank. These resources are often well maintained and community supported, meaning you can find reliable solutions for everything from UI components to data handling. By adding these libraries to your development process, you not only cut costs but you also speed up your project timeline. Hack number 3. Monitor your app's performance. It's crucial to keep an eye on how your app is performing in real time. By using analytic tools, you can gain insights into user behavior and identify potential issues before they become major problems. Early detection means you can address concerns proactively, and this way you can reduce downtime and costly fixes later. Plus, understanding how users interact with your app helps you make data-driven decisions for future improvements. Hack number 4. Plan for regular updates. As a business owner, you must not wait for problems to pile up. By scheduling regular updates, you can keep your app running smoothly and stay ahead of any potential issues. This proactive approach not only helps maintain user satisfaction, but also prevents emergency expenses that may come from sudden, unexpected breakdowns. Think of it as a routine maintenance for your app. Just like you wouldn't ignore a check engine light in your car, you should not ignore your app's performance indicators. And finally, hack number 5. Outsource strategically. Instead of hiring a full-time development team, consider outsourcing specific tasks to skilled freelancers or specialized firms. By selectively outsourcing, you can manage your workload and costs effectively. And this ensures you pay only for what you need when you need it. Whether it's a specific feature, a design task, or a technical challenge, outsourcing can lead to substantial savings while still delivering high-quality results. Now that you have these hacks in a toolkit, it's only correct to talk about the team that can make the magic happen. That's where AppTunic steps in. With 11 plus years of experience, we can help you not only to implement these strategies, but also ensure your app stands out in the crowded market. To have a one-on-one discussion with top industry experts, click the link in the description below. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.